A new monthly security patch update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. After installing this update, the device gets upgraded to the April security patch. The size of this update is 294.88 MB. I have already started downloading it, and once it's complete, I'll go ahead and install the update. After installing this update, I'll share with you any issues I notice after using it for a few hours. This is going to be a quick and fast information video, so stick with me guys. Alright, the update took around 5 minutes to complete. Make sure you don't press any buttons while the update is in progress. Coming to the changes, after the update, there are no visible changes. All the applications, files and remaining data are intact. The device does get a little warm after the update. After using this mobile for a few hours, here is the user update. The battery backup feels the same as before, and I didn't encounter any major issues on my device. Yes, it does warm up a little bit while updating, but it's nothing major to panic. Next, no green line issues, no glitches and no lags. So whether you are wondering if you should update or not, yes, we can safely update. That's the video. I hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. I have added all the related product links for the S24 FE in the description box. If you're interested in protecting your mobile phone, definitely check them out.